Hi guys, Mrs. Hawes here for another exciting lesson in the art classroom. Again, I'm outside in my art studio and I have found online another really cool scientific art type of experiment. And it's really just a fun thing. There's no real paper art to it. And here's an example my daughter did. And boy, they were shocked with it when they started it. So here's what you need to do this scientific art experiment is you need some sort of Tupperware or bowl. Doesn't really matter the size. You don't need any paper or anything. You just need some sort of bowl. You need your food coloring. You need milk. Milk. Don't get a lot of milk, but this one's kind of a leftover jug I have. And you need dish soap, some sort of dish soap, and you need Q-tips. And that is it. That is all you need to do this little scientific experiment. It's quite fun. I'm going to do it right here in front of you. So what you're going to do is you're going to pour your milk into your bowl, whatever bowl it is, or just a little bit. Doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be ton full or anything. Just a little bit of milk in your bowl. Right? That's step one. Pour some milk in your bowl. Then all you have to do is with your food coloring is you just need to press little tiny, just dribble it in there any way you want to. Drip, 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 drip little food coloring in there any way you want to. I'll change my colors. Just squirt little food coloring in there. It's kind of cool just to see how the colors mix. Red and yellow mix together, make blue. We kind of did that in kindergarten. Remember that when we stuck shaving cream inside of a little zipper bag? We learned our primary and our secondary colors. So I am just dripping little tiny drops of food coloring in my bowl. That is easy. That's all there is to it. And then all you have to do is take your Q-tips. Take your Q-tips and dip it into your little bucket of dish soap. I just put it in a little bucket. I guess you could just pour it right on out there, but I just dip my little Q-tips right in the dish soap. And then watch right here. Watch right here what I do. All you do is that Q-tip with dish soap and watch. It's kind of cool. The colors mix. The colors kind of just mix. The dish soap kind of mix. Kind of this cool scientific marbling technique with milk. Isn't that kind of cool? And as more dish soap you put on it, I guess it really swirls it in pretty good. It's kind of just have for fun. I haven't tried to see if you put a piece of paper on top if it will work, but oh. Are you ready? Go have fun with marbling art. See you soon.